Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and I'm back today with another very special video, man. Yo, every time I say that, I come back with a crazy unboxing, so you guys shouldn't expect any less today. First and foremost, if you're new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Leave a like as well. Join the giveaway that's going on the channel and my IG page, so go join that. I'll link that in the description as well. And yeah, man, let's get into today's unboxing. You guys are probably wondering, yo, Andy. Actually, you guys aren't wondering because you guys know the title and y'all saw the title. Yo, we back today with the off-white Jordan 4s, man. Y'all see? See the box, man. Come on, yo. It got holes on the side. It's saying peekaboo. Like, you can see the shoes from the side. It's like you could peek at it. Big shout out to my boy Gio on the assist on these. These are a size 9 men, 10.5 women's. This was a women's shoe. That is my size. So I don't know, man. On foot look. You guys let me know if you guys want to see an on foot look. But I plan on keeping these on ice. Yeah, it reads Sail Muslin White Women Jordan 4 Retro SP, I believe. Yeah, and yo, so release day on these was you know how off-whites go. You have to join all the raffles. So you join and you join SNS, you join Undefeated, and your boy took L's on all of them, man. And then Saturday comes, everybody joins the release on Nike sneakers. And yo, everybody I knew took an L besides like Gio. Man, so many people hit me up for this shoe, and I just told everybody like, oh, this shoe is way too limited. But funny story, getting this shipped yesterday to Gio's house, I actually intercepted the package. Like, I could have ran off on a plug. Like, I was like, yo, it's FedEx, right? And I gave the FedEx guy my tracking number. I didn't even show him no ID. I just took the box and I ran off. Like, I could have ran off on my boy, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna tow these or just keep these on ice, like I said, man. So yeah, man, Gio's IG will be linked in the description as well. Big shout outs to him on the assist, like I said before. So let's get into the unboxing. So for the unboxing, I'm bringing you guys a little bit closer to the camera. And yeah, let's open the box. As you can see, Jordan 4 box with the holes on the top. Like I said, you can peek through them. It actually looks like cheese, man. It actually looks like cheese. Here we have it. Jordan 4 off-whites. This is crazy shoe. When I first saw this shoe, yo, everybody was going crazy. I'm like, yo, I have not seen a pair of shoes that I like this much. Like, since these, like, this was the pair of shoes that I wanted for the year. You know what I'm saying? And now I got my hands on it, and I'm gonna bring you guys the review for it. This is my first time looking at them. So when you first open them, they have the Jordan, I guess you call it the paper. We always call it the paper, but this is like a plastic, and it's the Jordan logo, and it has the off-white writing on it or whatever. So when you take a first look at the shoe, I don't even know like what colorway. Like, is this a beige? Is this a cream? Like, I don't even know what colorway this is, but it's a Jordan 4. It has the beige Jordan hang tag, Nike Air on the back. And yo, like, I'm speechless. The execution on this shoe was just perfect, man. Like, it's a suede-ish material upper. I don't even know how really to explain it. And then they have I kind of don't like this material right here. They have this material on the Off-White 97s too. Those are in my closet. I don't even feel like taking those out. but the back it's like a see-through Nike Air, and then the bottom is bang with the white accents. And then of course you have the Air in the quotation marks right there on the air bubble. And I just felt like the beige, and it even has the off-white zip block thing, and it's a beige colorway or cream colorway, and the writing is in white. It says off-white Nike 2020 zip tie, so it's a zip tie. But Jordan Jumpman Flight on top. Here's the other shoe if you guys want to take a look. Drop this one down. Here's the other shoe. Then of course it has the off-white writing on the medial side, and it also comes with 3 pairs of laces, man. It comes with like a grayish, a black, and then the white. It comes with the white laces, so it comes with 3 pairs of laces. And you know off-white, man, off-white. My shoelaces say shoelaces. So to go more in depth on the shoe, it's a Jordan 4, so sizing wise I would suggest you guys go true to size. On my Jordan 4s I always go true to size on these. And then quality wise on this sneaker, like I said, I think this is like a suede material, but the hairs aren't that thick, and it just feels great. I'm not even gonna like lie to you. It did come with like a defect right here, like it has a mark. I don't know why Nike be having those marks, man. I guess everybody makes mistakes. And they have this plasticky material on by the toe, and then they also have the plasticky material on the Jumpman on the tongue. But what I really appreciate about this sneaker is that it took the Jordan 4, right, and it deconstructed it. It has like the raw cut around the ankle collar and then the tongue, and that just makes the shoe look even sleeker. Like the Jordan 4 is already my favorite Jordan model, and this feature added to it just like made it like even better. Like I said, I'll probably keep the cream laces in, to be honest with you. But one thing I do not like is the translucent outsole. I feel like that's gonna get dirty really fast, and it's gonna like look ugly. Like translucent outsole, it's gonna probably turn yellow, get even more yellow as you wear them. I don't know how I would feel about it. I guess I'll have to like see them first. You know what I'm saying? Like I know 5s and 6s, like they look cool, like being yellow. But I don't know how I feel about these. Another thing is the wings. It is a plastic, but it is a clear color. Same thing with the heel tab, and that's fire to me. You know what I'm saying? So here's just another quick look of the back. It has the Nike Air, and yeah, man, y'all let me know how you guys feel about these. The quality, like I said, amazing. You know, like I always do, the smell test. It smells okay. It doesn't smell bad, doesn't smell good. It smells like a new shoe, you feel me? So let me zoom out, and then I'll give you guys my final opinion on the shoe. So to bring you guys the final opinion, y'all should already know how I felt about them, just by how I was talking about the details and the quality and the sizing. And I even told you guys that the 4s is my favorite Jordan model. So personally, I think these are in contention of shoe of the year, in my opinion. But I do feel like when this shoe gets dirty, it's over. Like I said, the outsole is gonna be piss yellow, and then once the upper gets dirty, like this type of suede, I don't know if you could really wash it. But just looking at it like this is a fire sneaker, man. Probably would go in my top 5 sneakers of the year, in my opinion, up there with the Dior's. But that's kind of like cheating though, you feel me? Like Dior 1s and off-white 4s, like come on, man. Like you have to come out with something else. Like they're just cheating. They're just putting their designer branding on and twist on classic Jordan, like my favorite Jordan. So that's kind of unfair, but I have to throw them in my top 5 shoes for the year. Like I said, I'm still debating on keeping these on ice or wearing them, or maybe even selling them. So you guys let me know how you feel down in the description. I might sell them now because I feel like prices might drop. So if you guys are any of you guys watching this are resellers, I feel like prices might drop. And if they do drop, I'm planning on picking up multiple pairs just to keep on ice and then see what happens going into the future, man. But overall, love the shoe. You guys should love the shoe as well. And this your boy ALin, and we checking out. Make sure you stay safe and stay swaggy. Boys out.